once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Our today's class topic is our synthesis of transuranium elements. So we know that in our periodic table, the position of our F block is down the SPDF. They are put separately because of their nature, like radioactive nature. So you can see lanthanide series is known as 4F block and actinides is our 5F block because the F orbital is filled there. Just now we can see that what are our transuranium elements? So element after uranium are termed as transuranium elements. So let us see the details of our transuranium elements. First, what are transuranium elements? So the elements with atomic number higher than 92 are called as transuranium elements or uranides. So you can see in this table, in this picture, that after uranium 92, neptunium, your plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium. So you can see the atomic number our 93 to our 103. All these elements after uranium, all these 11 elements will be termed as our transuranium elements, and all these have been synthesized in the laboratories. These man-made elements are placed after uranium in the periodic table and are called as transuranium elements. They all are our F block elements. Okay, so these all are our F blocks. The important thing is that ये सभी लैब में सिंथेसिस हुए हैं. तो इनका एक important फीचर ये भी होता है कि अगर आप पीरियोडिक टेबल को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो इनका जो आइसोटोप है, जो इनका नंबर एटॉमिक मास का, दैट एटॉमिक मास इज नॉट सर्टन, मीन्स दे कैन हैव मोर आइसोटोप्स. तो जो ज्यादा मीन्स यूजफुल है वही उन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है. सो जस्ट लेट अस सी दिस. फर्स्ट यू कैन टेक a screenshot of this table and we will see the details of our all these synthesis. So just first let us see the synthesis of our transuranium elements. So you can see neptunium, atomic number of neptunium is 93. It is synthesized at the year of their synthesis 1940, and who discovered them, which scientists? So Macmillan and Abelson. So just you see what is the reaction. सबसे पहले क्या होगा, जो हमारा uranium 92 and 238 isotope, it is bombarded with the neutron, so you will get a higher isotope. Neutron, you can see this. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है आपका, when the neutron is bombarded, तो क्या होगा, जो atomic mass है, it increases by 1 unit and the atomic number remains the same. So it will give you uranium 238. When bombarded with a neutron, you will have a next isotope of our uranium, that is 239. Now what will happen, this isotope will undergo changes, and so what you will get here, you will get the neptunium 239 and 93. So what we have done, we have emitted one of the alpha particles. So when the alpha particle is emitted, what happens, the atomic number increases by 1 and there is no change in the mass. So our neptunium is formed here. Now you can see plutonium, the atomic number of plutonium is 94, mass 239. So plutonium, you can see the discovery in 1941. So this neptunium 239 we are using to synthesis of the plutonium. So what happens, when it undergoes a nuclear reaction, it will form our plutonium 94 and 239. Why? Because one of the beta particle is emitted. So when the beta particle emission takes place, the atomic number increases by 1 unit. So 93 से आपका क्या बन गया, neptunium 93 से क्या बन गया आपका 94, but the mass numbers are same. So next one more synthesis of our plutonium. मैंने बोला आपसे more isotopes हो सकते हैं. So the same way, if our uranium 238 is bombarded with our alpha particle, so this is the representation of alpha particle. This is our helium exactly. So when it is uranium 238 is bombarded with alpha particle, so what happens here? The mass number will increase by 4 unit, but यहाँ पे what we have done, we have emitted one of the neutron. तो जब आपका एक न्यूट्रॉन इमिट होगा तो 1 यूनिट आप लॉस कर दोगे मास का, ना. तो एटॉमिक मास विल बी our 241 and atomic number will increase by 2 unit because it is 2 here. So it will be 94 plutonium 241. Okay, next we will see the our americium. So americium atomic number is 95 to 41. So just you can note it down. It is synthesized again from the plutonium 241, जो अभी just आपने देखा, which we have synthesized from our uranium 238. So we will use this isotope of plutonium 241 to synthesize the americium. So what happens when this isotopes न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन होगा तब क्या होगा, व्हेन दिस वन इट विल लूज वन ऑफ द बीटा पार्टिकल. तो बीटा पार्टिकल इमिशन में क्या होता है, योर मास नंबर विल नॉट चेंज बट आपका एटॉमिक नंबर विल इंक्रीज बाय 1 यूनिट. सो यू विल फॉर्म अमेरिकम. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी अवर क्यूरियम. सो क्यूरियम इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिएक्शन ऑफ अवर प्लूटोनियम. Plutonium 239 is bombarded with alpha particle. So what happens when it is bombarded with alpha particle? Your mass number will increase by 2 unit and there will be change in the mass number. हमको कितना मास चाहिए, 242. So what we will do, we will lose one of the neutron particle will be emitted. So next is your berkelium. Berkelium में क्या होगा आपका, you have taken americium 241 itself. Americium 241 95 atomic number is bombarded with the alpha particle. Again alpha particle से bombardment होगा तो क्या होगा, it will increase your mass number by 4 unit and atomic number by 2 units. So 95 से 97 तो atomic number हो गया berkelium का, but we are going to synthesize 243. तो हमारे पास extra हो जाएगा 241 plus 445. So what we will lose 2 neutron here. So जब 2 न्यूट्रॉन जाएंगे तो आपके 2 मास आपका ऑटोमेटिकली डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज अवर कैलिफोर्नियम. सो कैलिफोर्नियम, व्हाट इज द कैलिफोर्नियम एटॉमिक नंबर, 98. सो वी हैव टेकन क्यूरियम. सो क्यूरियम वी हैव जस्ट यू कैन सी क्यूरियम आपने इधर बनाया था 96 242. सो वी विल टेक दिस क्यूरियम 96 242 एंड वी विल बम्बार्ड विद द 2 अल्फा पार्टिकल्स. मीन्स अगर 2 अल्फा पार्टिकल्स लेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा, मास नंबर जो हमारा रहेगा वो कितने से बढ़ जाएगा आपका, द मास नंबर विल इंक्रीज बाय द 2 यूनिट्स एंड अवर, सॉरी इधर 1 ही रहेगा, 96 है तो 2 लेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा हमारा 98. ओके एंड इधर पे 242 प्लस 4 कितना होगा 46. तो वी विल एमिट वन ऑफ द न्यूट्रॉन. सो इट विल बी अगेन अवर 98 कैलिफोर्नियम 245 आइसोटोप उसका फॉर्म हो जाएगा. मास नंबर इज 245 एंड 1 न्यूट्रॉन इज. So let us see from Einsteinium. It is our Einsteinium atomic number is 99. So it will be synthesized from uranium 292, 92 238 isotope. Okay. So first it is 2 steps. So what we have to do, first we have to convert our uranium 238 into uranium 255 isotopes. तो 255 isotopes में convert करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to increase its atomic mass by 17 units. So we will take our 17 neutrons. So it is bombarded with the 17 neutrons. So when these neutrons are bombarded, so what will happen, the mass will increase by 17 units and there is no change in the atomic number. So it will be our what, uranium 255 and atomic number will be same. So we are having the new isotope 238 to 255. Now second step, what will happen, this our uranium 255 will get converted to our Einsteinium 99. And so to increase the atomic number by 7 units, what we will do, we will emit, क्या करवाएंगे हम इसमें से, हमारे 7 बीटा पार्टिकल एमिशन हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन द बीटा पार्टिकल आर एमिटेड देयर इज इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ our atomic number by 7 units. If we will take 1, so there is an increment of 1. When we will take 7, so it will increase the 7 atomic number. So 92 plus 7 is 99. So we will get Einsteinium 99 255 isotopes. As I told you in the beginning of the video that there will be so many isotopes because all these are synthetic है ना, तो you can change the atomic number, atomic masses by the using various type of the particle. Next is our fermium. So atomic number of fermium is 100, mass we need 255. So both these will be isotopes because mass numbers are same. So just we will see that uranium 292 and 255, this isotope will be used to synthesize our fermium. Okay, so fermium, what happens here, 92 है. So what you have to do, you need the atomic number to be 100. So what you will do, हम क्या करेंगे, 8 बीटा पार्टिकल का एमिशन करवा देंगे. तो क्या हो जाएगा, when the beta particles are emitted, they increase the atomic number by that unit. So if you take 8, तो 8 पड़ जाएगा, 92 plus 8 is 100. So you will get the same mass 255 because there is no change in the mass number when the beta particles are emitted. So but 8 beta particle will increase the mass atomic number from 92 to 100. So you will get synthesis of the fermium. Mendelevium is 101 to 56. So for this we will take our Einsteinium 99 to 53. So this is 55 but we have a requirement of 53. So we will use here our which isotope of Einsteinium is 53. So do watch this video up to the last, because in the last I will explain this reaction in the detail, and I will tell the isotopes also. So Einsteinium 99 to 53 will be bombarded by alpha particles. So what happens when the alpha particles are bombarded? Atomic number will increase by 2 units and atomic mass will increase by the 4 unit. So atomic mass कितना हो जाएगा? 57, and it will be our 101. So what we will do? We need 56th isotope. So what we will do? We will eliminate one of the neutrons. So it will be our mendelevium 101 atomic number, and the mass will be 256. Now nobelium. To synthesize nobelium, we will use our curium. We have already synthesized earlier. Here it is curium 96, 242 mass. So we will take this species here. 242 आपने synthesize किया था, but it will have so many isotopes. तो आपको कौन सा चाहिए? 246 वाला isotope हम ले रहे हैं. So then we will react it with the carbon, because the mass of our curium is mass of atomic number of our curium is 96, but we need nobelium to synthesize 102 चाहिए. So what you have to do? You have to increase its atomic number by 6 unit. So we will react it with the carbon 12 isotope. Atomic number of carbon is 6. So 96 plus 6 will be 102. So now this is the atomic number you are getting nobelium, but mass number will increase by how much? It will increase by 12 unit. So 246 plus 12 will be 258. Okay, so what we need? We have to need 252 itself. So what we will do? We will remove our 6 of the neutrons will be emitted. So what happens? So your this mass will be balanced. So 246 plus 12 is 258. So आपने 6 neutron इधर से eject कर दिया. So you will get our nobelium 102, 252. Now next, last one is our lawrencium. So for the synthesis of the lawrencium, we will take our californium. So we need the mass of our lawrencium only 254 and atomic number 103. So just you can see californium, we are using 98 atomic number 245, which we have already synthesized here. Californium 245. So we will take this isotope. It will react with the boron. Boron will have 2 isotopes, boron 10 and boron 11. Atomic number is 5. So 98 plus 5 कितना होता है? 103. So आपको atomic number lawrencium you have synthesized. Now mass you see 245 plus 10 will be 255. So what you need? हमको क्या चाहिए? 254. So what we will emit one of the neutrons. So I hope this is a shortcut. If they are asking you only in the 5 marks, so I will suggest you to practice this reaction. Here it is written the 2 synthesis of our plutonium 241 and 93 also. So just you can see here plutonium. So now let us see the preparation of transuranic element in the detail. So just you can see that in the beginning we have just done the synthesis, and all the scientists who have done their contribution. Generally Seaborg at the University of California synthesized our transuranium elements. So first we have seen it was from uranium 238 से आपने start किया था. Uranium 238 is bombarded with the neutrons, so you are getting 239 isotope, and they will emit the gamma radiation. So gamma radiations when are emitted, there is no loss of atomic number, no atomic mass. Okay. Now this uranium 238 will be used for the synthesis of first transuranium element, that is our neptunium. First uranium hai, then comes neptunium. So how you will see, we have taken 239 to 92. Now what happens? We will emit one of the beta particles, so the atomic number will increase by 1 unit. तो आपको क्या मिल गया? Synthesis of neptunium completed. Just you can pen down the notes. Then synthesis of plutonium. Plutonium के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? What? इधर neptunium का mass our 239 था. Plutonium also, if we are having the 239 mass and atomic number 94. So again here you can eliminate one of the beta particle. तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? Your plutonium with the 94 atomic number and 239 is the atomic mass. Okay, just you can pen down what it is written in the notes. Now next, plutonium 94 can have 3 or more isotopes. Just 4 भी है, यहाँ पे मैंने 4 mention किया है. That is plutonium 236, 238, 239 and 241 also. But it may be more, can be synthesized. Now the synthesis of americium. Then americium is our 95 atomic number. Our curium is 96 atomic number. So let us see. So americium is synthesized from the uranium 238 isotopes. It is bombarded with our alpha particles. So alpha particle means our helium. So it will have increase the atomic number by 2 units. तो आपका क्या चाहिए आपको? When synthesizing the americium, first we have to make our plutonium 241. With this we will make our americium and our curium. So just first step for this americium synthesis is uranium 238 is bombarded with alpha particles, so we will get plutonium 241 and mass number increased by 2 unit, तो 94 हो जाएगा. Now it is 38 plus 4, 238 plus 4 will be how much? It will be 242, but we need 241, so we will eliminate one of the neutron from here. So now for americium, what you can take here, 241 plutonium, and so it will eliminate one of the beta particle. So beta particle elimination means what? Increment of the atomic number by 1 unit. So it will be your americium will be 95 to 41. Okay, next you can see the synthesis of the curium. Curium synthesis के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Your plutonium 94. Now, which isotope we are using? 239, which already we have seen that 239 plutonium is bombarded with the alpha particle. So the atomic number will increase by 2 unit and atomic mass will increase by 4 unit. So 9 है 4 है, so it will be your 243. But we don't need it. We need only 242 mass. So we will eliminate one of the neutron is released. So I have written in the notes also, pen down. Then the synthesis of our berkelium. Synthesis of the berkelium, we need americium 241. It is bombarded with the alpha particle, and alpha particle bombardment means increment of our mass by 4 unit and atomic number by 2 units. So you will get 95 americium tha, berkelium is 97, so it will be our 243. What we need, 41 plus 4 will be 45. So what will happen? We have to eliminate 2 neutrons. 2 number कम करना है इधर, 45 का आपको 43 चाहिए था, so we will eliminate 2 neutrons. So it will be atomic number आपका 97, then atomic mass is reduced by 2 by releasing the 2 neutrons. Next, synthesis of our californium. So californium have 20 isotopes. Some of the names I have written here. It is californium 244, californium 245, 246, 251, 252, 253, 254, 240, 249, 248, 256, 238 and many more. So just pen down if you want. Synthesis of californium, we need curium. So for curium is atomic number is 96, californium atomic number is 98. So what we have to do, just you can add one of the alpha particles bombarded with alpha particles. So it will be your, and atomic mass will increase by our 4 unit and atomic number increases by 2 unit, and emission of our gamma radiations. Gamma means neutral hai, neither atomic mass nor atomic or your number will decrease. So next is our one more reaction for the curium. यहाँ पर आपको 246 मिल रहा है. If you are taking again the same reaction, but if you are emitting 2 neutrons, so you know your mass will decrease by 2 unit. Atomic number will be the same. Californium is 98. Now californium was synthesized by the bombardment of curium with accelerated alpha particles. 2 isotopes are formed. This 2. Now just we will see some of more reactions. See, अभी हमने क्या बना लिया? 46, 44. Now suppose we have californium 50. तो and we want to convert it into the same isotopes. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Take 1 neutron, mass number increase 251 plus gamma rays. Then 251 you have taken. Take 1 more neutron. Then it will be our increment of 1 more charge. 252 mass हो गया. Then 98 gamma rays emission. Again we will take our 252. Add 1 neutron, bombard with the neutron. So it will give you 253 isotope of our californium. So you see there are so many synthesis and the isotopes of californium. Whatever you want, how much is your capacity to write in the exam. No need to learn the full notes. Whatever, how much is the capacity, take one reaction from each of the category. So next is the synthesis of our einsteinium. So for the einsteinium, atomic number is 99 and we can go for the isotope of 253. So for this what we have to do, we will start the synthesis with the californium 98. So 98 hai, you have to increase the mass. So what you can do, we can do 1 beta particle emission. So atomic number will increase by 1 unit and the mass will remain same. So californium isotope 253 obtained during the bombardment yielded the einsteinium as a result of a beta ray emission. So just you can pen down what you are writing the reaction, just convert into the words. So uranium, next synthesis can be done from the uranium. We can take uranium 238 isotope. This we have done in our table form. This we have done 255 isotope convert hota hai. Then this 255 and this is our mass number will increase by our 92 था आपका, यहाँ पे mass number 255 हो जाएगा. Then we will emit our what we can do. we can emit the beta particles, 7 beta particles. So mass number will increase by the 7 unit. 92 से plus 7 कर दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 99. So next is the synthesis of fermium. Fermium is atomic number 100. So just to see the synthesis of the fermium, it can be done from our Einsteinium 99. So what is the atomic number is 100. Atomic number of fermium is 100. So what we have to do, it is 99. न्यूट्रॉन एक इन्वॉल्व करेंगे तो व्हाट इट विल गिव, इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू योर isotope of Einsteinium is 254 and 99. Take this Einsteinium 254 isotope and just emit one of the beta particles. Atomic number will increase by 1 unit and you will get your fermium 254. One more synthesis of fermium 255 isotope from our uranium 9255. Okay, uranium 255 isotope, just you emit 8 beta particles. So 92 plus 8 will give you the 100 atomic number of fermium and 255 will be the mass, will be the same. So 8 beta particle emission. Okay, so now we will see mendelevium and our nobelium, lawrencium. 3 more are left in the details, so just you can check and write down it. So mendelevium synthesis is done from again Einsteinium 99. Alpha particle bombardment will increase the atomic number by the 2 units. So you will get your mendelevium 101, 256. यहाँ पे 53 है, 4 plus करेंगे, you will get 257. So 1 neutron is emitted. So you will get 256 mendelevium 101. Now synthesis of nobelium. For nobelium, we will take our curium 96, 246 isotope. And when we are using 96, we need atomic number of nobelium is 102. Here we have written nobelium is our 102. So 102 करना है, 96 plus 6, it will be 102. Then we have taken carbon 12 isotope. So what will happen? Your mass number will also increase as well as your atomic number. So इधर आपका 12 increment हो जाएगा, but we don't need that much. Okay. So what we will do, we will eliminate 4 of the our neutron. तो आपका जो 4 mass है, it will get decreased from it. It will be 58. We don't need it. So just you will have 254 nobelium isotope and atomic number is already 102. Next nobelium. Next we have same type we can done with our carbon 12 उसके साथ ही कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे क्या करना है, अगर हमको 252 वाला आइसोटोप चाहिए तो आपको 6 न्यूट्रॉन्स हटाना है. इधर हमने 4 कम किए थे. सो नाउ यू कैन रिड्यूस our mass by 2 units. We will remove 6 of the neutrons. Now next is the lawrencium synthesis. So it can be done again in the 2 way. First lawrencium 257 and second is lawrencium 254. So we can take our californium 98, 250, californium 98 atomic number 245. You can take the boron 11 isotope, boron 10 isotope. 10 isotope we have discussed in the table. So just what you have to do, 298 है, 5 ऐड करेंगे, it will be 103. So atomic number is 103 in the both the cases. Here your mass will increase by 11 units, so we don't need, so we can just remove our 4 neutrons. So we will get lawrencium 257. Here if we will remove only 1, so आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, 45 plus 10, 55, remove 1, so again it will be 254. Students, I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. Now the important thing is that all अभी you have seen the synthesis of the transuranium elements, but how they can be separated. So they can be separated by ion exchange method, solvent extraction method, carrier precipitation, chloride volatilization method, etc. I hope आपको वीडियो समझ में आया होगा. Do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. You can take the pics and you can write it. वॉट एवर इज ईजी, आप उसी को लर्न करिए. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी आप सभी लिखेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.